Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, here today to talk to you about our range of chemicals. So we have Protox from Denmark. These products are fantastic. We have a mold cleaner and disinfectant, a revolutionary high sand, stabilized chlorine dioxide, the safest mold remediation system in the world. Then we have mold stain removers. We have mold encapsulation products. We have mold protection products. We can even make chlorine dioxide gas for odours. We have odour control product. We've also got fire cleaning products with Protox from Denmark. Phenomenal range of products. All about having the right chemistry and not affecting you, the end cleaner. Also, we have our Restore Solutions range. We have carpet and upholstery cleaning products, we have pre-sprays, emulsifier, acid rinse, deodorizers. We have fire cleaning products, we have disinfection products, and we also have antimicrobial. So we are a one-stop shop for the restorer that's going out to restore a home for fire, water, odour, and then cleaning afterwards. So, hope this has helped you, and check out our website for further information about all of our products. Thanks for watching.